Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am at Alligator Pond on the main road. As you can see, if you make a left turn, we'll take you all to Spring Ground. If you go straight ahead, take you all to Mandeville. So we're gonna make a left turn. So we are traveling the northwest direction in Manchester. So when you travel them road, you have to be careful of them corner here. You have a lot of bikers full speed ahead, so you have to be careful. So you need to go Alligator Pond down at the river come to the sea. Some people, don't be afraid to travel your sweet Jamaica. Any place you go, just travel and enjoy Jamaica. Welcome to Duff House community. United we build. Yeah. So you don't have some nice little area in Jamaica. When you hear about it, just hide off. Some persons just keep it to themselves and don't want other persons to explore sweet Jamaica. So yeah man, take the tour with Fire Reid, True Jamaican Vibes, your tour guide. So always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and always hit the notification bell. So as soon as I uploaded a video, you will be notified of different places I go in Jamaica. Big up on yourself, my people. Big up. Yeah man, as you see, I'm gonna make a left turn. The sign say welcome to Port Kaiser. So I'm gonna make a left turn, take you all down to the Port Kaiser side. Yeah man. Yes, some paper, so I'm in the Port Kaiser area. Yeah, man. So, you know, if you're in the Port Kaiser area, you know, you have the Alligator Pond grocery store. Not very, very close by. Yeah, so when you're in the Port Kaiser area, can take you all to the Alligator Pond. Nice river next to the sea. Nice water, you can enjoy yourself. As you can see, the two sides of the road kind of a lot of bushes and stuff. Still a beauty, natural beauty in Jamaica, you know. Yes, the paper. So on my left hand side you can see a lot of farming take place. Yeah, man, them plant them tomato, scallion, corn, yeah, man, and sweet pepper. Yeah, man, you see the guys them are working at the sun hat. And cucumber also. Big up to all of the farmer them, you know, big up on yourself. Big up all the Manchester farmer them, St. Elizabeth, Hanover, Westmoreland, Kingston. Big up on yourself. Big up farmer Jesse. Big up farmer Chick. Big up on yourself. You don't know. Big up all the female farmer them. Big up on yourself. Big up Susan Reid. Big up, big up, big up, big up on yourself. And also big up Fire Reid, the farmer too. Yeah, man, them man always a farm too, you know. Yeah, so maybe want to come to Port Kaiser and I say the last on the road, but I'm not really last. Just go on same way. You see a lot of bush, but you can see a lot of street lights because you know in Port Kaiser you have a backside. I think it's a port where them transport backside to different country. Yeah, man, so they've come down there and look for, and also they have a pier. The pier in Port Kaiser, that's where a lot of fishing take place in Port Kaiser. So guys, if you are a fish lover, you all need to travel this road to Port Kaiser and catch some fish. And also come and enjoy the nice fresh river. Water is very clean, very cool also. So you need to come down this side and enjoy it. Yeah, the place can look kind of bit bushy, but don't watch the bush you're seeing. A lot of beauty behind those bushes. Yeah, so we are in the Port Kaiser area. So you know a lot of places in Jamaica, your GPS gonna show you unknown roads. Speed limit 40 miles per hour. So always obey the road code in Jamaica, because if not you're gonna get some heavy speeding ticket or $20,000. I'm driving. So this is where we take you all to the Alligator Pond. Them call it Alligator Pond over there. So I still can't go over there and make a swag one. They pass the property $500 only. Beverages. Okay, so day pass is like it's about $500, guys. So have to pay a fee. Not much to enjoy Jamaica. Only $500. That's about $5 US, $4 something, to enjoy the beautiful Alligator Pond. But I'm just taking a fast tour and I will take you down by the Port Kaiser down to the pier area. Just giving you a quick drive through in this area. And also, if you want to come stay, you have a guest house close by, you can come and book your night and stay for the weekend. Enjoy yourself. Jamaica land we love. Natural beauty. Yeah, as you can see, so keep on watching, guys. I'm gonna take you all to the Port Kaiser area where they do their shipments down to the pier area. So I'm heading west. So I'm gonna make a left turn. If you make the right turn, that will take you back right to Little Ochi and also as well. So I'll make the left turn, will take you all down to the Port Kaiser Pier. So that is about 1.9 kilometer ahead to the Port Kaiser Pier. That would be like about 2 minutes away. 2 minutes away, okay? So right now my GPS say I'm driving on an unknown road, so still heading southwest in Manchester down to into the Port Kaiser area. So on your left, it's a beauty. Very, very beautiful scenery. But this is not a beach for swimming, So letting you know, guys, it's not a beach for swimming, not a very safe area to swim. So look at the beauty of Jamaica straight ahead of us. That's where you find the pier, and also you can find that's where the ship came and dock. So keep on watching. So I am a minute away from Port Kaiser, 950. So you all need to take a visit to Port Kaiser when you all come to Jamaica, or anywhere you're in Jamaica. You all need to come to take a drive to the Port Kaiser area, even to walk the beach. But it's not a beach for swimming though, even to walk the beach. Okay, guys? Look at the beauty of the mountains. So if you love hiking, you can take a chat up in those hills. So thank you again for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.